Welcome to the lab.
Yeah, money calling, yeah, pick it up. Yeah, money calling, yeah, pick it up. Yeah, money calling, yeah, pick it up. Yeah.
Welcome to the lab. It's Light, and I'm finna show you how I'm
engineered
Cashju's MCYPIU. For the plugins for this vocal mix, they're the same as my standard template, which I'll make another video on. I got my own custom template. Make sure you copy the chain order too, because that's very important. We start off with Fab Filter Pro Q3. We got Pro C2, Saturn, Pro DS, because come on, you can't have a good song without a DS-er. Infinite EQ, which is free, I believe. Fresh Air is also free. Ozone Imager is also free. This one is when y'all see what this bitch does, y'all know. This is the standard Reaper limiter. If you have FL, Ableton, Mixcraft, Pro Tools, whatever, just get you a limiter, bro. Any limiter works, but of course, the better the plugin, the better the quality you're gonna get. And lastly, we got Auto-Tune Artist. All right, so let's get right into the mix. Fab Filter Pro Q3, C2, and Saturn Go. Those are just for the cleanliness, but I'll go ahead and solo out the vocals so you can hear what we're working with. This is dry. A lot of what I used is to increase volume, increase the loudness, but also keep the vocal clean. This is with the effects.
Yeah, pick it up. Yeah.
You don't have to use Fab Filter, just have you a good EQ. Compressor is very important, especially if you're working with like a lower quality mic. I have an AKG P220, so it's pretty good. That's what he recorded it on. But if you have a shittier mic, you're gonna want a good compressor. His vocal frequency is sort of mid-range, so I focused on having that lower tone kind of cleaned up and rounded out, a little bit of dampening in the middle. Saturn on clean tube is a must. For the de-esser, another EQ, and all the effects chain order matters for the processing. Ozone Imager is, oh my god, I fucking love Ozone Imager. I'm gonna turn it off real quick to show y'all what it sounds like.
You know that we got snipers on the roof. Somebody tell them to duck.
You see that wideness?
You know that we got snipers on the roof. Somebody tell them to duck.
Next, you got Fresh Air. It just opens up your mid-range and high range if you want it to. Auto-Tune Artist is the last plugin that I use. I usually put it at the end and have it process everything through it. I can't forget the most important parts of the mix, the reverb and delay. I have these reverbs and delays on separate buses from my main bus. You can hear kind of like what it sounds like. This isn't max, but this is very dense, very wide room. You know what I'm saying? It sounds real spacey. In the end, you're gonna want to play with each song for a while and just experiment to see what sounds best. And try new ideas. Don't be scared to try shit that other people don't do. Everything can be done a million ways. No one way is right. Just try to make something that sounds awesome, you know. And that's how I mix Cashju's MCYPIU.
You was minute made. Fuck the cause before I decide to break my uncle out that cage. Why you be talking but do no action? Most these niggas do too much, yeah. Say what I said, it ain't no that.